In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money from USA to Ghana using Remitly. Remitly is a simple, secure, and generally low-cost way to send money internationally. Plus, if you sign up with the link below, your first transaction is fee-free. Now, let's get started. First, open Remitly app or you can go to their website, and if you're new to Remitly, use again the link below to sign up for a free account and get a fee-free first transfer. And if you already have an account, just log in using your credentials. Now, once logged in, choose Ghana as your destination country on this section and hit send money button right here. And on the next page, you just need to type in the amount that you'd like to send first in US dollars. And then on the bottom part of it, you'll be able to see the converted amount of that in the corresponding currency. Now, on this part, you'll be able to see the exchange rate and also the fee. And once you're okay with that, hit continue. And now select your delivery method. So Remitly offers various delivery options for Ghana, including bank deposits, mobile money, cash pickup, and also debit card deposit. Now for mobile money, you'll have these options. So for now, you only have MTN mobile money, Vodafone Cash, and Airtel Tigo Money. For bank deposit, you'll have all of this bank and as well as more options on this section. For cash pickup, you'll have these options. So generally for cash pickup, you just need to select the most convenient location for your recipient. And for card deposit, you'll need to have your recipient's debit card information. So make sure that you have that. Now for this one, let us go with mobile money. And by the way, each option has different fees and speeds, so choose the one that's most convenient for your recipient. So now for this one, I'm just going with Airtel Tigo Money, and you just need to fill in your recipient's details. So you'll need their full name and mobile number for mobile transfers or mobile money transfers, or their banking details for a direct deposit. So just double check the information to avoid any issues with the delivery. After name, hit continue, and then you'll need to fill in the mobile phone number. Now, pick how you want to pay. Remitly lets you pay through a bank account, debit card, or credit card, and you'll see the fees and exchange rate up front, so there are no surprises on cost. So for now, let us go with card, and if you're going with card also, you need to fill in all of this information, the card number, expiration date, security code, and as well as your name as it appears on the card. So just double check the billing address, and once you have done that, just hit next. And after this step, take a moment to review all the details before you confirm the transfer. Remitly will provide an estimated delivery time based on the chosen delivery and as well as payment method. And once everything looks good, hit confirm. And you'll get a tracking number which you can share with your recipient for updates. So that's all. Sending money to Ghana with Remitly is fast, affordable, and also secure. Remember, you can use the link below to sign up and get your first transfer fee free. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.